Alright, let's let the tank lit up. So yeah, let's do this. This tank takes forever to fill up, really. I don't know why. It says 2007. This tool takes like 2 or 3 minutes to fill up. Isn't it filling up? Let's see. Yeah, it is filling up. It still is filling up little by little. It's taking like 2 or 3 minutes to fill up. Dang. Toilets usually take like seconds to fill up, you know. Toilets usually take like a few seconds to fill up. Like they fill up fast. Some of them. Some take like 2 or 3 minutes to fill up. That's a long time. Well, for a toilet, yes. Yup, it is filling up. So when this toilet's done filling up, I will flush it. It's almost there. Almost there. Alright, it's done filling up. Alright, now I can flush it. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's put the tank lid back on. Let's do this.